Okay, welcome to the demo of my new app, Divine Fashions. It's actually an app where you can just pick up a dress. If you sew dresses or you make dresses or you generally have a need to advertise a dress online or in a magazine or somewhere. So you pick up a dress and then you choose your model. You actually describe the model who will wear the dress, whether it's a man, a woman, the sizes, their color. And after you do that, it generates a prompt for you, and you can use the prompt to generate an image, which you can then use in social media or wherever you want to use it. But I'll give you the process very easily. The first thing you do is to create an account. So I'll create an account. Okay, and then I give it a password. Now, what it will do is it will ask me to go check my email, all right, to know if basically to confirm my email. Okay, so I'll confirm my email and then I'll come back here. So the email you will get will be from a company called Superbase Authentication, and then you just need to click the confirm your mail link in the email body. When you click that, it brings you now to the app itself. So inside the app, there's a place where you upload the dress you want your model to wear. So you pick any dress that you have already taken an image of by your camera. In this case, I'm taking the red dress on a mannequin. So you can see the red dress I've taken is on a mannequin. It could be on a hanger, it could be hung on the wall. You can put it anywhere and take a picture of it, as long as the whole of the image of the dress shows. And then you go and continue to define the model that you want to wear the dress. So on this screen, you can see you can choose a female model, ethnicity. Let me choose a black African for this demo. Skin tone, it could be fair, deep dark, ebony, but let me choose a medium olive to show a fair skin person. Age range, could be anything from 20s to 40s, but let's choose a late 20s, a good age for a model. And it could be the body size, could be anything, plus size, slim, athletic. Let's choose a curvy hourglass. Tall height could be petite, average, tall. Let's use an average model, average height model. And then the pose, it could be standing, walking, interior stance, or whatever. But let's just choose a working model like you have in a catwalk. Facial expression could be serious, could be neutral, could be confident. In this case, I'll use a soft smile. And then for the background, what would it be? The studio, like most models for magazines, or luxury interior, or outdoor, or in nature. But I'll choose a luxury interior, so maybe a hotel, and then the lighting could be soft, golden, dramatic, or daylight. Let me choose a golden hour, like early morning kind of lighting for this demo. And then we generate the prompt. Okay, so we've chosen our model, how our model will look, size, height, look, everything. Then we generate our prompt. Now, this is the beauty of it all. At this point, it will generate a prompt very quickly for us. And the prompt will have all the details we have chosen. It will have the description of the model, and it will have what the model is wearing. Like this one, create a photorealistic fashion photography of a black woman in the late 20s, and then describes the dress. And just click copy prompt. And that's all you do. One click, and you get the prompt into the memory of your device. Then you can go to ChatGPT or go to Leonardo or any other AI generation software. Like in Leonardo, I pasted the prompt here. And then for emphasis, I usually will upload the same image. Now, the prompt has a description, but if you want precision, just upload the same image you used to create the prompt, so that there'll be no deviation from the exact design. I did the same thing in ChatGPT, and that you see here, the prompt has been pasted, and I also uploaded the image. Okay, so we said generate, and then we're going to see what they both generated. So Leonardo generates exactly what we wanted, an African lady, a curvy hourglass kind of shape, in a beautiful luxury background. This is ChatGPT's own rendition, black girl, but fair skin, curvy, shaped, hourglass shape, as well. Background is a luxury interior background. And so that is it. And then you can then go ahead and download the image to your device. And from that point onward, you can do anything you want. You can paste it on social media, you can put it on your website, you can put it anywhere you want to advertise your dress or advertise your creation. Folks, it is that easy. There's nothing much to do.